All right, guys. This is about a 15-pound turtle, okay? Pulled him out with my reel. Tough guy. I had to use some muscle weight, all right? Had to put my whole body into it, okay? I got him out. You see, he got sharp little nails, claws, whatever you want to call them. You see, when you're a real man, you can touch it and don't be scared.
Don't do that.
Why you ain't touching it?
You just act like you were scared to touch it.
You see 3 right there. He got 3 right there. His legs are strong as hell. I just found this out.
Yeah, that he got 10 different kind of meats in him.
Yeah, that's his little nose right there in his face. But that sums it up. Ray Daddy out. Let's get it.